Cowley Hall, room 405. This is a quick rundown on how the audio-video system works in here. The first thing we're going to do is come up to the teacher station, and we're going to locate the remote control for the projector located here on the desktop. I'm going to point it at the projector, press the power button, and that didn't turn it on. And the reason for that is that the lights are interfering with the signal from my remote control. I'm going to quickly turn the lights off, then point the remote at the projector and power it on, and turn the lights back on. It takes about a minute for the projector to power up. You'll know it's ready when the green light stops blinking and is a solid green. So while that's happening, I'll give you a quick rundown on how to log into the computer. You're going to want to use your 8.4 username, like the beginning of your UWL email. And then for a password, you're going to want to use your UWL net ID. After you've logged onto the computer, then we need to make sure that we're going to get the computer to show up on the big screen for us. The way we're going to do that is that there's a controller here in the front of the classroom, and it's got 3 different settings on it. It's got the document camera, the PC, and the laptop. So whichever button you hit, the corresponding label is what's going to show up on the projector. Since I want the PC to show up, I'm going to go ahead and hit the PC button. And then the PC is going to show up on the computer, or on the screen, rather. The document camera is located on the right side of the desk. The power button is in the lower left. I'm going to go ahead and hit the power on. It takes just a second for it to power up. The zoom is here on the front and your other advanced controls. Then once the document camera is ready, I'm going to come back over to this controller and I'm going to hit the button labeled Doc Cam. It's going to take just a second for the projector to switch. Then anything I do on the document camera is going to show up on the front of the screen. The connection that we need for a laptop is located right here on the desk as well. I'm going to bring my laptop over, locate the video cable, and plug that right in to the video card on my laptop. Then I'm going to open up my laptop and make sure it's ready, then hit the laptop button on the controller. If my laptop does not show up on the screen, the reason might be because I'm not telling my laptop that I have an external projector connected to it. The way that I can do that is to hold down the function key on my Windows keyboard and tap the F8 button. On my computer, it brings up a nice little menu. On other computers, it might not do that. It might scroll through these different modes automatically. So you may have to hold the function key down and hit the F8 key a couple times until it gets to be the way you want it. I'm going to choose the duplicate mode there so that whatever I see on my laptop is also going to show up on the screen for us. If you need to use audio, there's a little speaker located right here at the front. You're going to want to make sure and hit the power button on so that the speaker is powered on. And then if I turn it around for you quick here, you'll notice that the volume knob is located right here, and you can just turn the volume up and down until you get it at a comfortable level. When we're all done with whatever it is we're doing, we're going to power the projector down. And the way we're going to do that then is to use the remote control. And you're probably going to have to turn the lights off again in order to do that. So make sure you power down the projector to save the projector bulb for us. The last thing I'll mention is that here on the desktop is a written version of what I've just gone through on the video. And in the upper right-hand corner are the names and phone numbers of the Academic Technology Services staff. If you ever have questions or need help, please give us a call.